You want to increase your average commission, all you have to do is raise your price range and work with people that have the revenue. Now, I know that may not seem like a huge revelation, but why aren't you doing it? Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I know you're going to love this video because I'm going to be very brief about this and show you how agents can actually triple their income. Now, I don't care what you made last year. If over the last 12 months you've made 80 grand, you can triple it. If you made 150 grand, you can triple it. If you did even better, you can do the same thing. So let me show you what I mean by this. So I'd love to tell you, there is a brand new software program that can make you tons of money as a real estate agent, but it doesn't exist. There's a brand new CRM program that can follow up with your leads and it can triple your income, but that doesn't exist either. There's an awesome ad that you can use, and this magic ad is going to triple your income, but that doesn't exist either. Well, maybe you can go to a 5-day conference and you can get submersed into surrounding yourself with... That doesn't exist either. How can you triple your income without spending a bunch of money and buying all these things, and most importantly, learning how to utilize all of these things? Here's the cool part for you. I work with agents all over the United States. We've got 30,000 realtors we work with at all different levels, and I've seen it all, frankly, purchased it all, and done lots and lots of different techniques that get okay results, minimal results, and some things get no results at all. But here's the key factor to you truly, once and for all, being able to triple your income, and not only do it once, but do it year after year after year. Here's the magic secret, and you're going to want to write this down. Stop working with clients that don't have any money to give you. Now, I know that may not seem like a big revelation, but I got to tell you, why would you be working low price ranges? And even though it's a low price range, they don't have the money they need to pay that low commission. So you start finding yourself, well, I'll do it at 5.5% or some type of discount deal. Look, if you want to triple your income, the best thing for you to do is to raise your average price range. Now, is it really that easy? Yeah, whoever you market to, that's who you're going to attract. Right? So if we're just doing regular, average, run-of-the-mill clients, unfortunately, it's a lower price range, and customarily, they don't have much equity. So I had one of my mentors, he told me years and years ago, he said, look, here's what you want to do. Sell to people that actually have money to pay you, and they prefer premium services. He said, do you think you'd make more money on a used Chevy if you were selling that? What would the commission be on that compared to a brand new shiny Rolls Royce? Which one do you think makes the most amount of money? If you don't know, the commission on a Rolls Royce is usually about $35,000. Houses cost more than a Rolls Royce. So if you start thinking about just raising your average price range, going after the right target market, people that can afford to pay you and they prefer premium services. Tell me this, how are the big stockbrokers in business still when E-Trade exists, right? E-Trade, $9, you can go buy 100 shares of Disney. They have a $9 broker fee. No, people call their stockbroker and pay $3,600 to buy 100 shares of Disney for their broker fee. They'll pay $3,600 instead of $9. Why is that? Do you think real estate is any different? Look, if you're a commodity realtor, nobody's going to work with you in any price range, and you're always going to get excuses, and you're always going to hear the, wow, that sounds great. We want to think about it. Can we call you tomorrow? That means get out of my house. If you want to increase your income, the best thing for you to do is start working with higher end transactions. Raise your average transaction value. They have more money. There's a good chance they put at least 20% down. They can't even buy FHA in the higher price ranges. They probably put 20% down. A lot of them paid cash for their house, and they prefer premium. They got a $90,000 car in the driveway. Why are you selling low-end properties when those people don't have any equity? Even if they love you, they simply don't have the money to give you. How many times have you heard them say, I'd love to pay you, but if you can get me to break even, I'll list with you. It's already a low price. Then you're going to be getting a low commission on top of that. Bad deal. You want to triple your income? Raise your price range. Frankly, if you double your price range, you can likely triple your income. You'll find, and if we had a whiteboard here, I could show you those numbers actually work out because you can get a higher percentage by dealing with those that prefer the platinum option. The yes, I want the drone. Yes, I want the extras that you're doing, even though that costs me a premium. They want to have that. You want to increase your average commission. All you have to do is raise your price range and work with people that have the revenue. Now, I know that may not seem like a huge revelation, but why aren't you doing it? If you are watching this video in time, and I don't know if you are watching it in time, but if you get this by Memorial Day, this Memorial Day 2019, I'm actually doing a training conference online to show you how to do this. We're going to spend 60 minutes and I'm going to show you case studies of agents that have doubled and tripled their average sales price and started working with people that have lots of money and prefer paying a premium commission. They wouldn't be caught dead with a discount realty sign in the yard, right? What would the neighbors think? So they're working with the right type of prospects. If you're getting this in time, you can go to wealthyagentblueprint.com. You can register for that training. It's totally free. We're going to spend 60 minutes together, maybe a little bit over that, because I'm going to show you some case studies on what other agents are doing, but more importantly, exactly what you need to do, how you can step into a higher price range. Now, it doesn't matter to me if you're in the Midwest of the United States, where homes are averaging $200,000, $300,000. If you're in Florida, where they're $300,000, $350,000, or if you're in California, where your average price is $800,000 or higher, there's luxury in every single market. And the point is, regardless of cost of living, if you double the average transaction that you're selling, or better yet, even triple that average transaction, not only are you going to be working with people that have more money, the commissions are higher and they will gladly pay a higher commission percentage. So you can negotiate much better that way. Offer some premium services at a premium price. I want you to think about that this weekend here and what you're doing with your real estate business to attract the right type of people. The problem is if you're working with like credit repair or first-time buyers or even first-time sellers that are selling their starter home as they start moving up, you're never going to get to where you want to be. It's simply not going to get you there, and you're going to run out of time before you run out of deposit checks, right? So you're going to run out of time. You cannot keep trading your time for money if you're working that lower end transaction. I want to show you how to get your price range up and how to drastically increase your average commission on a monthly and annual basis. You want to triple your income? Show up. wealthyagentblueprint.com. I'd love to show you how to do this. All I'm going to do is show you some case studies of what other agents have done. So there is no software, magic formula, special ad, any of that stuff. I'm going to show you exactly what to do so you can get your business rocking the right way. If this is helpful for you, like this page. Feel free to share it because listen, we're doing this event one time. This is our 3rd annual Memorial Day training. There will be no replay available. You got to be there to get it. Otherwise, maybe we'll catch you next year in 2020 on Memorial Day. But if you're looking to double or triple your average transaction price, this is how you do it. So check it out. It should be in the comments section here or in the description of this video. You should see the link for wealthyagentblueprint.com, or just type it in your browser. Grab your spot, and I'll see you on Monday, Memorial Day. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.